Alright, YouTubers, good morning. You don't know who this is. This is the Skilla. And I have something to show you that I like to call idle riding. Very idle. Observe. Alright, first of all, me not try to disrespect anyone. You know, trust me, me not try to diss no one at all. But you see, things like these is called idleness. You see it? Who have time, right, for bungle up 3 person on a two person thing, which is, you know, a bike like that is a 2-seater, right? And who have time for this? Me know everybody have them thing to prove and everyone have something, you know, but you have to think about your life. And if you know business about your life, think about other people's life. Because I know uno alone I use the road. So, them thing you see it. Now, me see when the man dey on the road a while ago crash and you dey behind him for go lick up now. Suppose the bike behind the other person did run over the other man. Huh? A prison time that. Think, big brothers. You see it? So, no disrespect again. Big up on yourself. You know? Mean nothing but good for no. You know what I mean? And me just hope say everything alright. You see it? Alright. So if you need to know what go on in and out of Jamaica as usual, you know, click the subscribe button. Tell me your views. You know the normal, right? My name is Skilla and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.